Alright, so today we're going to do our first oil change after the break-in of this motor. This is a Hammerhead performance motor. It's a really good motor. If you've seen it in our other videos, you've seen where I installed this motor. So now we've ran it. It ran really good. It's a really good motor. Now we're just going to change the oil. You know, it had the break-in oil in it. We ran it for a little while, so now we're going to change it. So pretty much all you do, get your container, 17 millimeter wrench, undo the drain plug on the bottom. And be careful when you're doing this plug. When you pull the plug out, there's going to be a spring and a filter. Okay, so this, as the oil's draining, you know, clean your filter out. There's just a little filter like this, and a spring that's tapered. The tapered part goes down into the cap. Remember to put it up the same way after it drains. Okay? And I'm going to clean this off real good, clean that filter out. So we're going to let this drain, and we'll be back. Alright, now we let it drain, and we put our filter, our spring, and our plug back in. What I like to do is I like to get the oil, and I like to have it in something clear. I like to look at it, make sure there's no shavings, no metal particles, and everything looks good. Everything's looking good. Oil is clear, no shavings, so that's a good sign. So now what we're going to do, we're going to take our 1030 or whatever, you know, we're running Valvoline, but whatever you'd like to put into your machines. We're going to start, pull the plug, unscrew it, grab our funnel, and I like to put in about 3/4 of a quart. And then tap it off from there. Then top, you know, if you top it off, make sure it's in the cross hatches. You don't want it too high or too low. I like it somewhere just above the middle, up to the higher part of the cross hatches. There, we're looking good, looking good. Alright, that's almost perfect right there. So that's it. That's all there is to it. Thank you for watching.